What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another review. So in today's Amazon review, we are actually reviewing this dress that I'm wearing, and yes, I will get up and show you guys what it's looking like, but first, let me get into a couple of details about the dress. Of course, Mr. Brady had to make an appearance. It wouldn't be a video without Mr. Brady showing his goods. He's like, I'm here, y'all. But yes, I absolutely love this dress. So this dress is in a size 2X. It comes nicely V-cut right here. I absolutely love that. And then you do have functional buttons right here, which, honey, I was wearing it and one of them was like, boop. I was like, oh my gosh. So that's good. The sleeves are a good length, and I do like this. It's kind of like a cap kind of sleeve right here. And don't mind the wrinkles, honey, because your girl could not iron. Okay, we're still working with one leg. Yes, one leg, okay? But let's go ahead and get into this dress. Move, Brady. Get your behind on here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see the dress in its entirety. So cute and so pretty. It's like a baby doll dress, and it doesn't come too long. It literally stops right there. So that's how much room you have. Let me see if I can move back. Hopefully you guys get to see the whole picture here. And yes, that's how I've been getting around the house, scooting around in my swivel chair. So it's definitely come in handy. But this dress is really cute. It doesn't have pockets. It doesn't have any stretch either. So what I will say is that it does have stretch right here. So you're more than welcome to get the big girls or the big tatas in place, okay? So it went right over my head, super easy, very simple, and I love it. So the denim color, it's really the thing for me. It really does look cute. At first I was like, ooh, denim, but it actually looks good. So I'll just turn around so you guys can see how it looks in the back. So hopefully you guys can see the back. This is what the back is looking like. This is where the dress comes to on me. So if you have big hips and a big bum like I do, you should be good to go. Very cute baby doll dress, and I absolutely love it. So this is a new company on Amazon, and I will definitely have their name up on the screen so you guys can see who they are, what they're about. But they're all about the plus size girls, honey, because like I always say, you got to keep them plus size girlies on lock, okay? And I am here for you. So yes, you didn't think a little broken leg was going to keep your girl down, did you? At least not for long. They also have multiple colors, multiple styles, multiple designs. So you guys feel free to check them out, honey, okay? So definitely check them out. I will have the links down in the description down below and in the pinned comments as well, because that's what I've been doing lately. So your girl's on top of it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more.
So fly, laughter and love make the views multiply. Amazon packages, we tear them apart. It's a channel of gold straight from the heart. Mr. Brady's tail wagging to the beat. Shareen drops wisdom, so smooth and sweet. From gadgets to hacks, she's the queen of cool, teaching us lessons like life's own school. Bubble wrap popping, it's a party in a room with a dog by her side. She's breaking the gloom. The clicks keep coming, the vibes are true. Shareen and Mr. Brady bringing joy to you. Life with Shareen and her pup so fly. Laughter and love make the views multiply. Amazon packages, we tear them apart. It's a channel of gold straight from the heart. When life gets rough, she's there with a grin. Mr. Brady's bark says let the fun begin. From unboxing dreams to moments we save, life with Shareen is the joy we crave. Life with Shareen and her pup so fly. Laughter and love make the views multiply. Amazon pack packages, we tear them apart. It's a channel of gold straight from the heart.